Inflation rates are crazy, economic crisis is just around the corner, pandemics is not over. For many people, times will become hard very soon. In such erratic situation, everyone should think of another way of earning money. In times of economic crisis, no job is secure and having a plan B is a must. The solution is called eBay dropshipping, either as a side income or full-time commitment. During the past 15 years of different types of crisis, health or economic or both, eBay dropshipping has proved itself as a reliable source of earning cash. Online commerce simply doesn't stop, and dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to grab some money when trading online. Okay, but if you're a complete newbie, how should you start? That is the main goal of this video, to show you the best places to learn dropshipping on the entire internet. There are tens, if not hundreds of gurus on the internet which will tell you they're the real deal. The truth is quite different though. Many of them are scammers aiming for your money one way or another while creating useless generic content just to gain visibility and popularity. And quite often I have stumbled upon wrong information about eBay dropshipping on many channels. So wrong that it can actually make someone give up easily. My advice: don't trust anyone who is trying to sell you unrealistic dreams. Currently, the world situation is so far from ideal that all talks about fast millions is complete nonsense. That is not going to happen, at least in the foreseeable future. Better rely on trustworthy and proven people who are trying to help and not only rob you. Here is the thing. I'm also creating a channel, so why would I be different than the rest? Well, I am not selling you a course which may or may not give you the precious info how to steadily develop a dropshipping business on eBay. And it comes at a high price, of course. Obviously, I want you to subscribe to Trackerbot, but that only makes sense for you if you are already selling quite a lot on eBay. Naturally, I'll be glad if some eBay newbies later on hook up to Trackerbot. That's our business after all. But since this is the best automating software tool for a medium to large scale dropshipping business, I have no hesitation to promote it big time. It will simply help you a lot and save you a lot of headaches and troubles. And that's for the advanced players. For all the newbies, those videos are free and super valuable content that not many are providing. And it's all gathered by heavily experienced dropshippers, part of the Trackerbot team, who have skin in the game for over a decade, which is really a lot. So let's take a look at our guide, How to Learn eBay Dropshipping. First, I would recommend to start with my intro playlist, the link of which you can find in the description below. Obviously, I'm biased. I'm recommending you my content. But our whole focus and way to elaborate on this channel is to provide valuable know-how videos with extremely useful tips and tricks. Also, we're trying to warn everyone of incoming threats, either by eBay or by regulation or whatsoever. And we do it for free, absolutely free. So, my advice, start with the intro playlist and then continue with all the other videos. It will take some time, maybe a week to watch most of them, but at the end you will know so much more. And not only know, but you will actually be prepared to launch a steady online business. A business which will start making good money in just a few months, regardless of economic crisis or something else. Of course, I'm not the only reliable source out there. There are some guys and their channels which are super useful and helpful as well. Most of them are in the business for quite some time now, and they have explained all the necessary info one will need. Actually, many times. The information you will receive by those channels was verified numerous times by me and my team, and I personally guarantee that those guys don't speak bollocks. And most importantly, just like my channel, all those guys provide content for free. First, I pick Paul J. Lipsky, extremely popular in the dropshipping world for many reasons. His advice and easygoing videos attract many people for years. With over 90,000 subscribers and well over 500 videos on his channel, this is one of the best dropshippers to follow. Another option is the channel Dropshipping King. relatively unknown and without so many content or followers as Paul Lipsky, but this guy is so up to date that many of the most influential dropshippers follow him. The guy is just extremely clever and knows his stuff quite well. So a subscribe here is also a must. Third option, a star in the dropshipping world, Tom Cormier, my friend. His YouTube channel, Ecom Tom, is also among the most followed ones. Unfortunately, he recently decided to focus mainly on Shopify for personal reasons. By the way, I have explained those reasons in a video, so check it out. And if you go to his channel, look out for most of his older videos, since that's where he speaks about eBay dropshipping. Last but not least, one of my other personal favorites, Zain Shah. Again, an incredible professionalist and with a great sense of humor. His videos are both useful and entertaining at the same time. So those 4 channels, together with mine, would cover 99% of the information about launching an eBay dropshipping store, without a penny being given, because they are all for free. Of course, if you want more detailed and personal approach, you can buy a dropshipping course. And the best one out there is the one of Paul J. Lipsky. The structure and the content of the course are unmatchable, so everyone having some extra cash could go for it. So, guys, the information is out there. The only thing you have to do is to get familiar with the process and start it step by step. On those channels you will learn how to avoid the typical newbie mistakes, as well as how to grow faster without risk. If only I had this information 10 years ago, I would have been a billionaire, honestly. But now you have it, so this is your chance to become a dropshipping mogul. In those uncertain times, sitting at home without a boss and earning real cash is a blessing. If you hesitate whether to start, don't. Start right now and you will thank me later. And if you have questions and preferences about my next videos, the comment section is waiting for you. I will try my best to answer in the most accurate way. See you next week.